Hi, welcome to the channel Enhance Your Skills. This video is about writing a professional email. You can use these steps to write an email in 5 minutes. Identify your goal. This means that what is your purpose of writing an email? For example, you are writing email for a meeting with your boss or you are writing to ask some sort of information. Consider your audience. In this step, you should be aware to whom you are writing that email. For example, teacher, boss, employer, or a colleague. That will help you to determine what information to include in an email. Keep it concise. Your email should be to the point. Use proper etiquettes. It means your email should be clear. Ensure your CC all relevant recipients. Subject line. Your subject line should be clear that what is your purpose of writing the email. Proofread your email. It is an important part while writing an email to do proofreading of your email so you can correct your mistakes. Salutation is the opening line of your email where you address the recipient by writing Dear Sir or Madam, to whom it may concern, Dear All, Dear Mr. or Mrs., Hi Sir or Madam. The opening sentence of your email should be like this. I am writing to you with reference to your letter dated concerning our phone call yesterday or this morning. In response to your email, considering your quote. When you are giving suggestions in an email, you can write in this way. I would like to offer you. We would like to interest you in. We must suggest a change of venue. We will have to ask you to postpone our appointment. When you have to ask information in an email, you can write in this form. Please inform me as to. Can you give me an update? Can we ask you? Close your email by writing one of this. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks in advance. Best regards. Yours truly. For more videos, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.